The ACF refers to the river systems of the Apalachicola, Chattahoochee, and Flint rivers. Let's take a look at all three. The Chattahoochee has its start in northeast Georgia. The stream forms Lake Lanier near Gainesville, and the river continues southwest through Atlanta and eventually to the border with Alabama. And in fact, as the river flows south, it forms the border with Alabama. The Chattahoochee eventually empties into Lake Seminole in the far southwest corner of the state. The Flint River has its start just below Atlanta, just south of the airport. It flows through the middle of the state, through Albany and Bainbridge, and eventually ends up in Lake Seminole. So it is the combination of the Flint and Chattahoochee rivers that forms Lake Seminole because the Woodruff Dam holds back the waters to form the lake. On the other side of the dam, the river that continues is called the Apalachicola River. It continues through the panhandle of Florida and eventually empties into the Gulf of Mexico at the town of Apalachicola. The ACF refers not only to the rivers, but the river basins as well. This is the geographic area from which all groundwater flows into the river, so each river has its own river basin. The Flint River Basin covers roughly the area you see here, while the Chattahoochee Basin is sometimes divided into an upper basin and a lower basin. And this is the Apalachicola Basin area. Together, these rivers and their basins form what we know as the ACF.